how to install pandas in Python. So first Python install it. So here Python install in the any browser you will write it. So first one come, it is python.org. This is free software. So from here you can install it. It is for Windows, Linux, Unix, Mac OS, every operating system. Afterwards what you will do, here you will download it, then afterwards you will go to the next. Then your process will complete it. Now in the, just close this one. Okay, now what you will do, Windows plus R means run command. Here you should write, what you will write, cmd means command prompt, then press the OK button. When you will press the OK button, then your DOS mod will open. Now what you will do, here you write first Python -- version given 3.12.3 means 3.12.3. okay, now what you will do, you will write pip install pandas. When you will write pip install pandas, automatically it will installing. See, I have installed, so that is why it is given requirement already satisfied. So now your pandas module has installed. So in the run command, in the DOS mode, you can command prompt, you can write it pip install pandas. Your pandas will installed in the Python, because pandas is a module and Python is a software. So in the Python software we are installing to the module. So like this you can install pip install numpy, all the module, whatever module required in the programming, all the module you can install it first. Okay, see, requirement already satisfied because I already installed this one, pandas also, numpy also, then matplotlib. Like this you can use it.